Westermans here again. New stock arriving. PEI Spot Welders. And you can see we like to carry stock. All brand new machines. All pedestal spot welders. And poke, or as we like to call them, the fast spotter, which is a single-sided spot welder. This is a new range of spot welders from PEI, which used to be Sure Weld. All machines, anything from a 16 kVA all the way up. We have some conventional rocker arm spot welders or scissor type. We have butt welders. There's both pneumatic and manual treadle. Various control systems from S2 I believe and PX 1700. We also supply the consumables to go with these. Arm lengths can vary depending on customer's choice, from 300mm upwards. Obviously projection welders here also, both inverter based and transformer based. Later you'll see more videos being posted online of these. Thank you for looking. More details can be found on westermans.com with PDFs, prices and further details. Thank you for looking.